A few weeks ago, I shared a tour of the upstairs property of my neighbor's house here in northern Sardinia. But what you didn't see was the property downstairs. And while the upstairs apartment is pretty much move-in ready, the ground floor is a very different story. It hasn't been lived in for around 40 years. So today I'm going to take you inside and show you what a Sardinian renovation project can really look like. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bianca. A couple of years ago, I moved from Australia to Sardinia. I bought a cheap house in a small village in northern Sardinia, and now I share my experience and my life here with all of you. So today's video is a continuation of the property tour I shared a few weeks back. My neighbors are the owners, and one of them showed me through the upper floor, but in this video, this is all about the ground floor. Now, the layout itself is fairly similar. I would say it's almost identical to the upper apartment, but it does have some differences, and it is size-wise much bigger because there is an outdoor space as well as a garage. But as I mentioned, this property has been sitting empty for a long time, and whilst very doable, it needs a considerable amount of work. So let's go and take a look around. And that's a look around the ground floor apartment. I'd love to know what you thought. I'd also love to know, if this were your project, what would you do with it? What would be the layout you prefer? What would you do with the space in general? The kitchen, the bedrooms, the living room, the bathroom, but particularly the courtyard and the garage. If you enjoyed the tour, don't forget to like the video, and of course, please subscribe to follow along with more of my life here in Sardinia. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.